Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony and I film anything that's beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And if you're into those types of videos, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my middle part sleek low bun. I haven't done a hair tutorial in a very long time and I was like, no, I might as well film me doing this because I do have some upcoming hair tutorials coming this month, so make sure you guys are subscribed. As you can see, my hair is looking like this. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I last washed it, so might as well just comb it and put it in a half middle part slick bun. And if you're wondering how I got this haircut, I did a video of me doing a DIY Rizzo type of cut or a diva type of cut, so I'll leave it up here in case you guys want to check it out. But first, I am going to be combing my hair, so I am going to go in with the Aura's Curls Unleashed Shea Butter and Honey curly coil, and I love this stuff so much. It helps me detangle my hair super easily and it doesn't like cause any breakage, and I have like this much left of it. And yeah, this was only like $9 or so. I'm just gonna speed through combing my hair, then I'll talk to you guys when I'm ready to, you know, start styling my hair. And next, I'm going to be trying out this vanilla serum, and this is just gonna help my hair from getting split ends. And I had got this in PR from them, and they sent me other curly hair products. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hair. This smells like Now Laters or some type of sweet candy fruit punch. It smells like candy for sure. I'll just talk to you guys when I'm done with this side of my hair, just because I don't want this video to be too long, and I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing anyway. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Then after combing my hair, I'm gonna be using my Eco Styling Gel, and it's the clear kind, the Max Hold 10. And excuse all the hair that's on my hands, so much hair. But yeah, I've been loving this gel so much. It easily replaced my Queen Helen gel, and I don't think they sell that gel anymore. But yeah, that was my to-go-to gel. I used it for so many years, ever since I was little. And yeah, honestly, the Eco Styling Gel is my favorite. It like really slicks back my hair and gives my hair a shine, and it doesn't make my hair crusty either. I just go in little by little with the gel and just put it all over my hair, just to make sure that it'll be easy to slick. And actually, let me not do that yet, because this isn't the part that I want to do. It's not all the way in the middle. Let me just do that. And I'm gonna try to get it as straight as I can. Then I'm just gonna undo this side. Just comb that. Ow. And I almost forgot to comb the back of my hair, so it'll be easy for me to put it in a ponytail. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that should be good. My hair is ready. Make sure you have your ponytail ready. Where's my ponytail? So I use this little elastic. It's not little, but you know what I mean. I just use that elastic. And then you can take an edge brush for this part of your hair, but I'm using a toothbrush because sometimes it's more easier for me to do this part with a toothbrush than an edge brush for some reason. And I am gonna go back in with the rat tail comb so it could be a little bit more easier. And do not rush the process. Like, even though it may take like 10 to 15 minutes, do not rush, because like it'll be so worth it if you just take your time while doing this. Like, the outcome of it will be so nice. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more gel because I really want it as slick as possible. Very, very slick, no type of frizz showing. And by the way, do not mind my armpits. I had waxed them like 2 weeks ago and now they're grown back and I can't shave them. So yeah, I have to wait until my little next wax session when I wax my armpits on my own. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. Those are so interesting to watch to me. So now I'm done doing that and I'll fix this part later. So I'm just gonna take my elastic. Got this at the beauty supply store. It has no type of metal on it so it doesn't pull your hair. And I'm just going to put it in a low pony and I'm gonna tie it up like 3 times. And as you can see, it's very, very slick as possible. And you can use edge control if you want to, but I'm not doing any type of baby hairs. I just wanted a basic slick middle part. And I do have a curl that's popping out right here since I do have like some short bangs. So I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and pin that back right here. Make sure you get one that matches your hair color so it can easily blend in. I'm just gonna add a little curl right there, and I am gonna fix it with edge control actually because it'll look so cute and it'll like stay there without moving. For these little edges right here, I am going to be taking edge control this time, and I am going to be using the Edge Fixer Glued Max Hold in the scent or color Sweet Leche. And this smells bomb. It smells really good. And I put a huge dent in it because I have been using it a lot. And this was only like $3.50. Just gonna take a little bit of edge control and just so for the bun, I'm just gonna do this and just twist them very lightly, not too tight or anything. Twist them very lightly, and I'm just gonna twist it around. Grab another hair tie, and it's just gonna be a looser one, and I am just gonna do this pretty much. Just gonna do that. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. Click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so yeah, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.